I am originally from Tamil Nadu, but I have been brought up in Delhi. So most of my schooling has been in Delhi. I have done my educationally. I have done my engineering, and then I went abroad for my masters. After which I have a full-time job with Dr. Reddy's, and yes, Zumba is a passion, which I guess you're gonna ask me soon. So I wouldn't say it's difficult. I would say it's challenging, but with a little bit of discipline, I guess work and since fitness is my passion, right? So I'll put it to you this way. So Zumba actually helps me be more productive at work because I'm feeling nice, so I have positive energy. So one thing I even tell my class, right? So had a good day in office, take it out on the dance floor and show it to me. You know, fill yourself with positive energy. Had a bad day at office, take it out on the floor. Just get it out so the next day is a better day for you. So actually it helps me because I'm more productive, I'm thinking better, I'm more confident, I'm more focused, I'm not feeling lethargic. So the days I actually don't exercise, I'm like, oh, I don't want to get up from bed. But when you exercise, you shoot up from bed. You want to do, you want to face the day and you want to take it as it comes.
Definitely. And so,
So, since I was young, I've always been interested in dance. So, about 3 or 4 years old, I trained in Bharatanatyam, Kathak, then moved on to Western as jazz, salsa, etc. So, when I was in US, one of my friends had told me, "Hey, I attended a Zumba class today. You should check it out. You'll like it." That time I didn't because I was busy with my masters and everything. But when I came back to India, I googled it. I'm like, what is Zumba? Let me just check it out. When I just read up their page, it's like, wow, this is something for me because the whole idea of mixing dance and fitness and having people enjoy what they do, because for many people workout is a drag, just getting them to enjoy and knowing that I could be a part of it. The next thing I did is found out instructor training, signed myself up for it, and got it instructor.
exactly.
I like playing whenever I get a chance and when I am, yeah, sports, badminton, TT, get few friends together. Also do like to gym once in a while. But yeah, work and Zumba, most of the time it's just Zumba taking my class. But apart from that, yeah, some little bit of other fitness also I try to get it in my workout. So let me put it to you this way, right? To have a healthy mind and a healthy body, you are walking basically a tightrope. You don't want to be overweight, you don't want to be underweight. You want to be like that perfect, and that comes, it's exactly like walking a tightrope, right? What do you need? You need balance. That balance comes from diet and exercise. So both are very, very important in keeping yourself fit. So I wouldn't say dieting per se. So essentially, diet is what you take in, right? The food you take in. Dieting actually means, colloquially we are using it like, to lose weight ki bhaiya dieting kar rahe ho. That's actually not the essential meaning of dieting. Dieting is regularizing your food intake and balancing it as per your body type to make sure that you are balanced, you are correct weight for your height. Right? So I would recommend a balanced diet. Make sure that you have enough of protein, carbs, cut down a little on oil, depending on who you are, right? So like for many times, people like, you see a thin person walking around, right? To make you exercise, you are thin, which is actually not true. Not true. You still need to balance, and some people have a tendency to lose weight. For example, me, I have a tendency to lose weight. So when I work out a lot, I have to make sure that I'm getting that input in my body so that I can still work out more. So dieting, yes, a regular balanced diet with exercise is very important for everyone. I have many things with my friends tell me, but let me tell you one thing, so which is very popular in my family with my friends and all. So when you go home, right, and you want to know कि खाने पे क्या बना है, you would ask कि what is there for food? What would you get the answer? There's some dal, chawal hai, roti hai, maybe some sabzi. Apparently, the answer I need to hear is we have 2 portions of protein, 1 portion of carbohydrates with a very minimal fat in it and minerals and vitamins on the side and a glass of lactobacilli. So that's apparently what I need to hear. So that's what my sister at least tells me, rags me a lot about it. Zumba class. So Zumba itself is very well defined in its own motto, join the party. When you see a Zumba class going on, if you're just walking outside, you can't stop yourself. You want to know why are those people screaming, shouting, having fun when they're working out. You want to go in and look at it. That I think is Zumba in a gist. It's just about having fun, letting yourself loose. And the best thing about Zumba is it doesn't judge you. Everyone's moving right, you're moving left. Do your thing, it's okay, you will get there in the end. So, yeah, well, if you want me to sign off with one line, I would sign off with what my motto is with Zumba with Shraddha: love to be fit.